Here are 40 daily use sentences for a grocery store visit. Asking for help. 1. Where can I find the bread section? 2. Do you have any fresh produce today? 3. Can you help me locate the baking supplies? 4. Is there a sale on this item? 5. Do you sell organic vegetables? 6. Where are the dairy products kept? 7. Can you recommend a good brand of coffee? 8. Do you have gluten-free options? 9. Are there any discounts on meat today? 10. What aisle is the cereal in? Checking quality. 11. Are these fruits fresh? 12. Can I get these vegetables weighed, please? 13. Does this product have an expiration date? 14. Are these eggs free range? 15. How can I tell if this is ripe? 16. Is this cheese made locally? 17. Are these products organic or conventional? 18. Can I taste this before I buy it? 19. Is this bread baked fresh daily? 20. Can I check if this packet is sealed properly? Discussing pricing. 21. How much is this item? 22. Is this price per pound or per item? 23. Do you have a cheaper alternative? 24. Is this part of the buy one get one free deal? 25. Are these included in the discount? 26. Can you apply my loyalty card? 27. What's the price difference between these two brands? 28. Do you match prices from other stores? 29. Are there any ongoing promotions? 30. Can I use this coupon for this product? Payment and checkout. 31. Do you accept credit cards? 32. Can I get a receipt, please? 33. Do you offer cashback? 34. Can you double bag that, please? 35. Do I need to weigh these items myself? 36. Are these items scanned correctly? 37. Can I pay by mobile wallet? 38. Do you have a self-checkout option? 39. Can I return this if it's not fresh? 40. Thank you. Have a great day. These sentences will help you navigate a grocery store visit smoothly and efficiently.